Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm very excited to be sharing a wonderful drink recipe with you guys. Now this particular drink is served in Iranian cafes. It's called Shikanjabeen. It's got the flavors of fresh cucumber and mint and it's very tasty. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the drink, first I'm going to make the syrup. For this, to the pot add 2 cups of water. Next, add 2 cups of sugar. Once the sugar is completely dissolved, add the mint leaves. Now I'm adding it with the stock. So it's going to add a lot of flavor to the syrup. So after 2 to 3 minutes of adding the mint leaves, add about 1/4 cup of vinegar. This is just white vinegar. Boil the syrup for about 20 minutes till it thickens beautifully. You can turn off the stove. This has been boiling on high flame. Strain it into another bowl and cool it completely. So for the drink, I'm going to grate some fresh cucumber. Just remove the skin and grate the cucumber and keep it aside. So now I'm going to assemble the drink. To the glass, first add the grated cucumber, some fresh mint leaves. Now add a little bit of the syrup. So I'm making 2 varieties of this drink, so one with plain water and one with soda. So you can have it either way, whichever you like. So I'm just going to mix it in nicely. Next, add a few ice cubes. Now add a little more water. Fill up the glass with soda. I'm just going to quickly mix it. Finish off with a slice of cucumber and serve it nice and chilled. So there you go, here is this cool and refreshing Shikanjabeen. Now I've made 2 versions, one with soda and one with water. So you can choose to make whichever you like and enjoy the summer with this wonderful and delicious Shikanjabeen.